Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Tesla key card. First, ensure your key card is readily available. Place it flat on the center console directly behind the cup holders. Next, open the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone and confirm that Bluetooth is active. On your vehicle's large touchscreen display, tap the Controls icon, then navigate to the Locks section. From there, select Key Cards to initiate the pairing procedure. This initial step is crucial for seamless integration. Now let's pair your key card. On the touchscreen, you will see an option to add key card. Tap this to proceed. Take your key card and hold it firmly against the card reader, which is located just behind the cup holders on the center console. Keep it there for approximately 2 seconds until you hear a chime and see a confirmation message on the screen. If you have more than one key card, simply repeat this straightforward process for each one. After pairing, it's essential to test your new key card. To unlock your Tesla, simply tap the key card against the B-pillar, located between the front and rear doors for a quick second. To start the vehicle, place the key card on the center console, behind the cup holders, and then shift into drive. Always carry your key card as a reliable backup, especially if your phone battery runs low. It offers a convenient and secure way to access and operate your Tesla. Here are some important tips for your Tesla key card. Always store your key card in a secure place, perhaps in your wallet or a dedicated card holder, to prevent loss or damage. Avoid exposing it to extreme heat or cold and try not to bend it, as this could affect its functionality. If a key card ever goes missing, promptly remove it from your Tesla app for security. Remember, your Tesla can accommodate up to 5 key cards, offering flexibility for multiple drivers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.